everyone. This is supply chain resilience agent. So here the supply chain disruptions don't fail because of lack of data. They fail because decisions are made too late. So this solution focus on acting early using execution signals to prevent service impact before it reaches the customer. So let's take the first use case for this agent, early disruption detection. So let us prompt the question for the agent. Show SKUs where supplier delays exceed tolerance and inventory is below threshold. So here the agent identifies SKUs where supplier delays and low inventory coverage create immediate risk. Instead of waiting for stockouts, it recommends creative actions such as expediting supply and substituting alternate suppliers. So here the outcome is like disruption is managed early before services levels are impacted. So here you can see matching SKUs delay is less than 4 and coverage is greater than 8. So it is an high risk immediate attention. So SKU 010 101 consumer is 5 days delay and inventory is 7 days. So here it escalation leads to demand volatility is high and lead time variance is high, which is critical urgency. So here you can see other SKUs also 103, 105 and 107, 110, 300. So a quick summary for this SKUs are critically urgency is 107, 105, 300 and 101, which is delay plus low cover and high volatility and high variance. And high urgency is delay plus lower cover plus high volatility. It measures it takes. So let us go for the next use case, that is prioritization and escalation. So let us give the prompt. Which SKUs or customers should be prioritized? So as demand volatility and supply uncertainty increase, the agent guides planners to prioritize high impact SKUs and customers. It may also recommend inventory rebalance or proactive communication. So here you can see based on critical current risk signals in the data, clear and execution ready prioritization of SKUs and customer segments you should protect first to prevent service failures. So top priority act immediately. So the top priorities are like SKU 107, 105, 300 and 101. So these are top priority which we have to prevent from service failures. The second priorities are 103 and 110. So here you can see the watch list. Do not allocate scary inventory yet. That is medium risk and borderline risk. So here let us uh, go with another prompt like show low risk supply supply situations. So the agent identifies stable supply conditions and recommends continued monitoring. So here you can see low risk supply situation based on current design logic and data. So here for low risk, we want supplier delay dates that is less than 3, inventory coverage that is greater than 12. So here low risk supply situations is 104 for industrial purposes. That is only the one which is of low risk. So this is not about better forecasting, it's about better execution. By acting early and consistently during disruption, team reduces escalation, protects service levels and maintain controls. Supply chain don't break because disruptions happen. They break because decisions come too late. This agent ensures that they won't. Thank you everyone.